Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by scraping plates and removing large debris. This prevents clogs and improves cleaning. Once done, arrange plates vertically and bowls angled so water reaches all surfaces. Make sure cutlery is separated and handles point down to avoid nesting. This improves spray exposure. You should place plastics on the top rack to avoid warping. While you're loading, leave space between items for spray arms. This initial setup saves rinse cycles and prevents rewashing later. You next pick the right cycle. Use heavy for pots, eco for light loads to save energy, and quick for small items. Then measure detergent. Pods are convenient, powder lets you adjust dose. Put it in the dispenser, not loose in the tub, to ensure proper release. Make sure to add rinse aid to prevent spots and improve drying. Check the fill indicator so you don't run an empty dispenser. Also select high temperature wash if greasy residue is present for better sanitization. You start the dishwasher and confirm the chosen cycle and time. Use delay start when convenient. Once the cycle finishes, open the door slightly to let steam escape and avoid condensation. Then unload the bottom rack first so water doesn't drip on dry items above. If cleaning is poor, check the spray arms for clogs, empty and clean the filter. Ensure water temperature is at least 60 degrees Celsius, and verify detergent hasn't absorbed moisture. If issues continue, run a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.